Good nutrition is one of the keys to a healthy life. You can improve your health by keeping a balanced diet. You may need to improve your eating habits for better nutrition. You have just some simple steps that don't require a big deal to improve your nutrition, which is solely dependent on balancing healthy diets. Get the real insight by going through the tips provided in this video. 1. Avoid pre-cooked foods. Pre-cooked foods and pre-packaged products from supermarkets are not really good for health. These kinds of food have already undergone many processes that have converted their vitamins and minerals into synthetic nutrients. The presence of preservative and additive chemicals doesn't really support proper digestion as whole nutrients do. Pre-cooked and pre-packaged foods contain a lot of sugar, unhealthy fats, carbs and lots of salt, which impacts negatively on nutrition, so avoid them. 2. Cook healthy diets. Learn to prepare healthy foods yourself. You may begin to wonder what healthy food entails. Healthy foods are diets which have required nutrients that are beneficial to human health. Learn how to cook such healthy diets which contain nutrients such as carbohydrate foods, whole grains, protein packaged foods, healthy fatty foods and classes of foods that have important nutrients that the body needs. 3. Vary your meal plan. It is necessary to add lots of varieties to your meal plan every week because there are various nutrients available in foods which can be gotten when your diets are mixed up. Build a diet with lots of variety from healthful foods that will help to accomplish your nutrition mission. Your food menu should not be run on a repeated base, instead it should vary to meet major food groups needed for good nutrition such as fruit, low-fat dairy, vegetables, healthy fats, whole grains and lean protein. 4. Maintain balanced square meals. Ensure to maintain a balanced diet on every square meal. A balanced meal is a diet comprising of varieties of different classes of food and providing adequate amounts of the nutrients necessary to improve the overall health. Every meal should be balanced in order to combine healthy fats, proteins, carbohydrates, vitamins, minerals and fiber that are needed for proper nutrition. 5. Eat fresh foods. Fresh foods are completely raw and unprocessed. Eat fresh foods to obtain quality vitamins and nutrients. These foods don't have any form of additives or preservatives, no synthesized ingredients, they are wholly natural and healthy for good nutrition. 6. Quit junk foods. If you are addicted to junk foods, better quit for better health and nutrition. Junk foods such as pre-packaged food contain high calories from sugar and saturated fats from processed protein, little fiber, vitamins or minerals. How can you break your addiction to junk food? It is very simple, just apply step 2 above, which says, learn to prepare your own foods. Start cooking healthy meals at home instead of laying your hand on fast and junk foods. 7. Healthy snacking. Snacking has become the most part of our daily foods nowadays. What is snacking? It is the drinks and light foods we take other than during the main meal times. Snacking is part of the healthy diet that satisfies hunger and keeps you healthy provided you don't consume many calories on the process. What are healthy snacks? Might be another question from readers. Healthy snacks are nutritious snacks containing fewer calories and deliver some nutrients such as minerals, plus protein, vitamins, and gut-healthy probiotics to fill some nutritional gaps. These snacks benefit the human digestive system, circulatory system and maintain overall body nutrition. Nutritious snacks provide the body with a range of dietary needs and help you to reach your health goals. Switch to healthy snacks and do away with your fried and sugar-packed snacks because they are doing no good for your health. Let your daily snacks have healthy nutrient, mainly the ones derived from whole foods, fruits and vegetables. Avoid sugary snacks, salty snacks and ones that contain unhealthy fats. To mention just but a few, some healthy snacks that can help boost nutrition are endive leaves, almonds, pineapple and pistachios, cottage cheese, apples, cherry tomatoes, cheese, cereal, sliced cucumbers, feta walnut dip, apple slices with almond butter, cottage cheese and vegetables. 8. Avoid sugar calories. Sugars are sweet-tasting soluble carbohydrates used in many foods. They are most times referred to as granulated sugar. These sugars contain more calories and few grams of carbohydrates with no additional nutritional value. That is why the rate of intake should be reduced drastically from your diet. Consuming sugar in large quantity, or rather taking it daily, can impair nutrition by supplying too many calories to the system, except if prescribed by a doctor as a result of lack of sugar in your insulin. 9. Don't neglect drinking of water. Water is the most essential part of life. You must have seen from the observation that most of our health and wellness tips make reference on drinking of water. This is to show you how crucial water is to human health. Some people used to say that they don't like drinking water while eating until they get satisfied. This is absolutely wrong because water helps to boost metabolic processes which involve breaking down of food to obtain energy. It is advised that one should drink enough quantity of water before each meal so as to rekindle the rate of metabolism. Still, drink water while eating and after. 10. Eat more of fruits and vegetables. Fruits and vegetables are the most nutritious foods ever. They naturally contain a good amount of minerals and vitamins, low in fat, calories and sodium. Incorporating fruits and fresh vegetables to your daily meals boost nutrients in a faster way. All the key nutrients the body requires to fill up some nutritional gap come from fruits and vegetables. When you think of how some of these nutrients such as calcium, fiber, folate, iron, magnesium, potassium, sodium, vitamin A, vitamin C and more gotten from fruits and vegetable consumption can improve your nutrition, you will stick to the diet. Improved nutrition is the main key to healthy living. The things you are to do are just simple if you adhere to the tips given in the above article. It may seem impossible while starting to make changes in your diets to balance nutrition at first, but once you are on the right track with the steps provided for you, the sky will be your starting point.